Hello, my name is Herman Olet and I'm co-owner of EREA Energy Engineering. I'm here to explain and help you to additionally save on your energy costs. I invite you to use the EREA TCO calculator to calculate your savings in a few steps. Choose an equivalent EREA Blue EEE transformer from the drop-down list. These fields are automatically filled in. Fill in the transformer properties from your transformer to be compared. Then fill in the conditions of use. And finally, fill in the purchase price from the transformer to be compared. Now, you have different options to see the results of the TCO calculation. If you have already an account, just log in to see the results. If you don't have an account, you can create one. Thank you for listening, and if you have any questions, please contact us.